What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Of course, you know it's your boy, Chef AndrewOJ, King Omario Thee Chef, same person. So, right now, this is another random unboxing video for y'all. Don't mind my voice. Me, just a wake up and be things. But let's get into it. Alright? So, this is my second Temu haul. I don't know, is it Temu or Temu? I have no idea. It's something. Okay, all right. So this is my second purchase from Temu, and it was random because I also got 10 things and only paid for 2 in this batch as well. You understand? So yeah. So the first thing I pull out of this package is this suit right here that I selected with my name on it. Mind you, I had no idea this had, look at that, oh my god, so nice. I had no idea this had my name on it until I actually got it. Understand? And the pants as well, nice like a pullover suit, cotton fabric, feel nice and such. Yeah, right? And size large. So if anybody wants to send me anything for Christmas, you can send me a nice little large pullover. Just drop me a DM, ask me for my address and all them kind of stuff. I understand, right? Let's get into what else is in this package right here. Okay, so yeah, so this is a nice little kitchen mat that I also selected. Yep. I think this is a one piece. I wanted 2 because I wanted one to put in front of the stove and then the large one to put in front of the washing area in the kitchen. But nevertheless, I only got one. Still like it. All right, moving on. So this one now, I think this is a bathroom rug set. Yeah. The quality is a little bit different than what I expected, but it's not that bad. It's still nice and fluffy. It's light, very light, but nice and fluffy. And the material, as in the fur, yeah, the fur don't feel too bad also. I understand. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, so that's one piece right there, and this is the medium piece, and then this one now is a large piece. I don't really have a use for the large one per se because I have to fold it, but yeah, that is what that is. And this is a kitchen mat here in my kitchen. Yeah, it says my kitchen, so you're always welcome. All right, moving on to the next package. So this one now, I also selected a few other stuff. And let's see, okay, cool. So this one has the shower curtain and the little shower curtain hooks, and this is the cover for the lid for the toilet thingy, right? Yeah, nice little something, right? I don't like it that much because it's not a full covering. I don't like the elastic bands that are on it, but that's fine. And then the shower curtain here was not really giving what I thought it should give. It was just like a plastic thingy. So I probably just use this as the liner, even though it says it's a shower curtain. I'm gonna buy myself 2 little brief and so. And that's because, boy, I have to wear good undergarments. And so on. So yeah, them not so bad either. Right? Moving on. In this one now, yeah. So I wanted a sewing machine from how long? Like, since I left Jamaica, I left my sewing machine in Jamaica. I have not sewn anything, right? So yeah, so that should be my sewing machine right there. But let's open this one first, right? While opening this, I had no clue what it was. I know I bought something else. I was looking for it, but I did not expect it to be this. Okay, wait for it. Okay, yeah, obviously I'm having a little bit of struggle like I always do. There's nothing new when I'm opening packages. So I'm always, yeah. Don't judge me, okay? Leave me alone, please. Yeah, these are paintings. Now, I selected these paintings as actual paintings, but yeah, what is this? Okay, them send the thing, come give me with no frame, and them advertise it with frame. But nevertheless, just look on like a picture right there, so, and see how I put it on my wall, because I deal with it myself. This is my machine right here. Yeah, I was purchasing the machine. I thought it was like real nice, decent, good size machine. This now, the bobbin them right there, so But the size of this machine though, like, what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? Nevertheless, it is handy. I'm not doing any kind of real serious sewing right now either way, so I guess it's fine. You understand? I already saw like a one and two little thing on it. Cool. If I'm moving out, I'm going anywhere, at least I don't have the load. I just throw this in the back of my car somewhere, I'm gone about my business. You understand? So that is what that is. That is fine. Alright. Moving on, let's see what else I have here. Do I have anything else? Okay, these are threads and needles that comes with the, well, they come as a separate order, but I order them with the machine just the same. Because, like, why would you want a sewing machine and not want to have a sewing kit though? Like, right? And a tape. Okay, you need a measuring tape or some. Yes, and yeah. Them little thread there still for my money. It's a little bit of thread still, but I'll work with it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I have caps. So I got myself some caps. I've been investing in caps and stuff because a young man is growing up in age and all these things. I understand. And soon I have no hair on my head and so I'm investing in caps because we can't take the embarrassment. So yeah, I'll keep my head covered. Alright, nice second one. I don't do fancy this one though. It's kind of shallow, but I just have it hung up there for decorative purposes because I think I wore it once. And then I got myself some shorts. I've been wanting some shorts. I'm always purchasing shorts. Now I purchased 3 more shorts. I know it's winter. I guess I'll wear them in my house or I just wear them go to my bed. Because I cannot wear them outside to go nowhere. But yeah, that's that. Nice shorts. 3 little shorts. No, not bad. It was a good buy actually. Right? And then this this should be the final thing in here. So I saw this bag set and I also liked it. Right? So it has 3 separate bags. I have this little small bag. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. But then I figured it out. Okay, I just throw a toothbrush in there. I just throw some floss in there. I throw a toothpaste in there. And I just drop it in my bag. It's like my to-go bag, my to-go stuff. Okay, when I want to clean my teeth at work. Don't worry about it. Another small little bag right there, so. And overall, not a bad purchase. And I like it. Alright, so that is the end of my video, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Stay safe in the streets.